Welcome in to a woolly review. Ta-da! King Cole Vogue DK. The cheapest place I could find this at the time is Purple Linda Crafts for a discounted £1.29. This is a 50 gram, you know, it says right there, 100% cotton. Approximately 113 yards, 103 meters. Now, because this is one of the prizes in Woolly Wednesday, I will not be making a full swatch, just a half swatch, because I don't want to ruin it for the person who it's going to. So let's give it a go and see what's what. It feels okay. It's not overly soft, but I definitely wouldn't put it straight into the category of, yeah, it will do for a dishcloth. No. But let's see. I've got a feeling it's going to be squeaky. We'll see. So, oh, yeah, it's squeaky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oops, that was my fault. 11 and 12. I kind of like the speckled colour personally, because it's not oodles and oodles of colour, but it's very sporadic. It's not little bits of colour and then you go back to the other colour. It's speckled through. I quite like that at the moment. We'll see. So we're going to do single crochet, one line of. Now I can already see, like with this, you can kind of see the split. I don't know if that's going to be a problem, but we'll find out. At the moment it isn't, which is a bonus. Oops. Definitely don't want a beanie hair in there. Give me one moment. Had to double check. This is available in 9 colours altogether. They are all in this kind of speckled fashion. But they are quite nice colours. They're not dull, they're not pastel, they're not dark. They're quite nice. And one more. And we're not here to judge my crochet skills. We're just here to have a look, see what it's like. Okay, let's do a half double row. And you're going to want a factoid today, aren't you? Because it's my podiversary coming up. So I may as well give you a factoid to help you with the giveaways. That factoid is... I've only been on a plane twice, to go to a country and to come back to this one. And that country was Holland. I went to Den Haag to meet up with a pen friend. Do you remember those? Pen friends. I can't even remember his name, but it began with T. I want to say Torsten, but that wasn't his name. And boy, did I fancy his neighbour. Oh, his neighbour was yummy. But anyway, there's your factoid for this video. And I am struggling a little bit with the splitting. It is causing a little bit of an issue. So I'm just frogging it back a little bit and trying to redo, because as I'm pulling the hook through, which is the recommended hook size, it is catching a fair bit on the split strands, separations, ply, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so there's the half double. Definitely, you know, because of the speckling, the stitch definition, it's not there. So if you were to use it, you definitely want a very simple stitch. It's no good going elaborate with it because it won't get seen. So let's do one last row, which is a row of double, and it's catching again. But it feels kind of nice to work with. Like I said, it's not overly soft, but it's nice. Oh, it keeps catching. Yes, I know that's the thing with cotton, but not all cotton does. This one does, but not all cotton does. And it's not going to go in without splitting. My word. And I've got cramp. Cramp. Into that last one. And then we'll put Beany down for a rest. Okay. I kind of like the way the colouring is, personally speaking. If it were multiple colours, it'd be way too busy. But the fact that it's two, I kind of like it. I'd be more than happy to wear that against skin. More than happy. That's okay. Okay, let's frog. Let's see how kinky this gets. So we'll do a nice slow frog. He's just taking a stroll. It's fine. And then frog on a moped. And look at that kinkage. Flipping heck. Yeah, the kinkage is a little bit of a problem, but let's be fair, with cotton you do tend to get a lot of kinkage anyway. It's the nature of the beast. Wind this back up for the winner and get it dressed, i.e. put its ball band back on. There we go. Oh, and I split it. I'm sorry. Whoever this has gone to, I'm so sorry. Okay, so Cole Vogue can sit next to my hanky markers. What is that? Oh, bit of my candle. Oh my gosh, bit of my candle decided to explode. Okay. In the bin. Now I've marked my desk. Oh my gosh. I'll sort it out in a minute. So what am I going to give it? £1.29 of the discounted. I think it's over £3 when it's not discounted. Making sure it wasn't on the black stuff. Would I turn it down outright? No. Would I be... Oh, I need cotton, but oh my gosh, is that it? Is that really all you've got? Fine. No. Would I be, you haven't got what I need? Well, you know, that's okay. I can take that. I can use it. It's all right. Would it be in my top 10? Well, yeah, it probably would. Would I be, well, it's my top 3. You haven't got the other ones. Okay, let's go for it. That's as far as I'm going. That is as far as I'm going. Because of the splitting, that's coming down. If it weren't discontinued, it'd be way beyond, like, ridiculous. There's not all that many colours. 9 colours, they are nice colours, but there's not a great range of it. And the fact that it's only 50-gram balls, yeah. Oh, and this is in the shade 2125, just in case you wanted to know. Wisteria. Yeah, I think it's ridiculously expensive. Yes, cotton generally is anyway, but I think that's just a little bit pushing it too much. But it's nice. It's not dishcloth material, it's wearable material, and this is my opinion and I am sticking with it. So that's that. There we go. There's my review. I hope it's of use to somebody out there. Maybe, maybe not. Have you used it? Have you not? Let me know down below. And hopefully I will see you next week for another woolly review. Take care. Bye-bye.